everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to unsend an email on Gmail app. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you want to unsend a message from your Gmail application, follow the steps. Tap open your Gmail application from your Android device or any other devices that you're using. In the bottom right corner, tap on Compose. Let me first start by sending an email to show it to you guys. Now, into the To field, add a recipient that you want to send the email to. Type in the subject for your email into the subject text box. Now let me compose an email. Once you compose your message, tap on the Send button in the top right and send it to the contact. Soon after you do that, at the bottom of the screen you'll be able to see an Undo button. Tap on Undo. But remember that you have a very short time to unsend the message. Right after you send a message, you'll have to hit the Undo button at the bottom. That is how you can unsend an email on Gmail application if you've sent an email by mistake to one of your recipients. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.